Today I'll teach you how you guys can prevent apps from using your calendar. So it's pretty simple. First you need to go inside your phone setting. From over here you want to scroll a bit down and click on where it says screen time. Now from inside screen time you want to scroll a bit down until you see content and privacy restriction. Click on that. From inside here at the top, make sure content and privacy restriction is on. If it is on, you can scroll a bit down and you will see calendars, which is right below contacts. Click on calendar. Now from over here, all the app which is using your calendar is going to be shown at the bottom. Make sure to turn those app off. Now in my screen, no app is using calendar, that's why none of them is being shown over here. But in your case, if it shows you, just make sure it's off over here. So let's say none of the app on your phone is using the calendar app. In that case, click on don't allow changes. If this don't allow changes is tick marked, then no app in the future will be able to access your calendar. So that is how you guys can prevent apps from using your calendar. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.